Yo YouTubers, GTA Killer 15 here, and we're still watching the VRL train, right? And now this is the opportunity as they're gonna show us live video of the wreck on TV. Damn. That's raw footage. I thought they were gonna show raw footage of like the train derailing and that stuff, but turns out no one got on camera.
As you pointed out in that video, of course, this is going to be an investigation. This is going to take a long time. I know 45 people were taken to hospital.
And that's the video, YouTubers.
Those injuries were told
Later.
minor.